Hello kids, combine alphabet and sing with me. P-A-T, pet. Now what will be next? Bet. B-A-T, et, cat. Now what will be next? Cat. K-at, cat. Pet, bet and cat. Let's see what will be the next. Add, dead. What will become here? Add. Now what will next? Add, head. Add, head. Lead, lead. Very good, excellent verb. You can do it. Dead, head, lead. Now said. What will come next? Add, said. Bed. Bed. Very good. You can do it. Now next word is Ted. Ted. Very good. Excellent job. Ted. Said, bed, Ted. You can combine it. Gab. What will go up? G. Very good. Gab. Ab. Now fab. What will go up? Very good. Fab. You can do it. Now next word is cab. What will go up? Ab. Ab. Very good.